Sorry, bug. Saw the bug at the landing pad. As soon as I kicked out, just whoosh. Off he goes. Alright. Any people? Yep, kids. I see multiple people, then yeah, they're gonna start playing. Dang it. Last battery pack then. It's fine. Well, I lost it. Can't complain though. As much as I'm not a fan of cold weather, this is a nice, brisk, chilly but not too bad weather. So, and all the stupid leaves. I say stupid leaves because I had to rake a bunch of them in miles, so wasn't too bad as I remembered, so not as much exercise as shoveling snow, so tight. Nope. Oof. That was close. Yeah, this, I mean, I know I can do tighter ones, but that's not 4 minutes. Also, since I know that getting into colder weather, and I've never had a, well, maybe when I was a kid, like 8 or 10 or something like that, had a RC car. I've always been into like helicopters, and as I got older, the quad, but never did have a RC car since then. A friend of mine has a, we were on a trip riding our bikes, not bicycles, scooters, and he brought a crawler, one of those super slow scale cars that you can just go into the bunch of rocks and try to crawl through them and stuff. And it was kind of cool. Never even saw that those existed. So out of it. I started looking, and once I started looking, screwed. So I ended up getting one. It's arriving tomorrow, I think. So probably not gonna film any of that stuff. It's just something just to trick out and do stuff and have fun with. Oh, smooth.